Okay, what in the world am I doing laying on my side at a park in a gazebo in the middle of December with a short sleeve shirt on? I'm going to teach you how to correct rounded shoulders and forward head posture by going back in time to when you're about 5 months old. 5 months old, we go from 5.5 months, we start rolling over to our side and we start playing with stuff while we're laying on our side. Okay? So with DNS, with dynamic neuromuscular stabilization theory or principles, we take this moment in time, this snapshot of the development from birth to upright posture at 4 years old, and we see if we can do it as an adult human. And the closer we can get to these infant neurodevelopmental snapshot pieces and postures and transitions of movement, the healthier our nervous system is and the more integrated and easy it is to stand up straight. So I'm going to go through this process, and it's a transition from here to here. Okay? Now, you missed about 10,000 things in that 1 to 2 second move, and that's what the point is. When you transition, first of all, you look, and the first thing that happens is not even has to do with your shoulder or arm, has to do with whether you are connected in your back support zone to the ground. If you start to roll and your thoracolumbar spine, your back support zone, is not connected right there, and if you roll and you're rolling through your pelvis and your chin is up by your shoulders, this is pathology if you look at a baby. We want to see this. Boom, connection here. There's very little pressure is going to go through your pelvis as you roll. So it's boom, you're rolling through here. Now that you've got that and you're looking with your eyes, the next thing is the back of your shoulder is the first thing to hit the ground. That's going to be hard for a lot of people because we got a lot of this crossed posture syndrome going on, right? So if your shoulders are rolled forward, the first thing you have to do is make that connection. If it's impossible for you, find a little gardening towel or gardening cushion or a towel or something to bring the floor to you, bring the ground to you, and then you can connect to that better. But you won't look at it like this, right? As soon as you start to roll, boom, the back of my shoulder hits. It's like my heel striking if I was walking. You're coming through, stays down, and to do that, look what happens right here. Right now I'm in a kind of a scrunched forward head, up elevated posture. As soon as I find that support, see what happens automatically? Everything goes where it's supposed to go, organically. That's the idea. Here, push away. Now that you're inside lying, now you can play around with that, let everything go, get everything sloppy, and then push away from your shoulder. Automatically, look where things go. Push away from the shoulder. Imagine something's pushing down on you here. You're going to push away here, right? Get long, push away from here. And now you've just corrected your kyphotic posture in the back. You've brought your head back, and you've created a strength and stability just by going back to when you were 5 months old. So play with this. And I'm going to be doing a lot more of this. I'm actually going to be doing an upcoming free workshop all about transitions. As you know, we're going through a lot of transitions in our life right now. We moved our office. We are getting ready to transition to living off grid onto a farm here in a few years. We're making slow transitions. And so there's a lot of magic and gold in the transitions, in being able to transition with grace. And so that goes for physical stuff too. So we're going to teach you how to transition with grace. We're going to take you from birth to 4 years old through the process. We're going to do a lot of other transitions that have to do with daily life activities as well. But if you want more information about that, there should be a link either in the comments down below or somewhere on this page. There should be on the first comment, or there should be somewhere where you can sign up to just tell me you're interested. And you'll be the first to know when we go live with that free workshop. Okay, so look at me here. Push away. Now I can play. Okay. All right. Have fun with this. Let me know how you do, and let me know if you can make that connection through the back support zone, and whether you can find the back of your shoulder as support. And if you can't, keep playing with it. And you may notice that you have less stress in your neck, and your shoulder might start feeling better too. If you get an active tear or something like that, you might want to be careful with doing this kind of stuff. But give it a try. Let me know. Okay, I'm out.